Oh yeah, holy! I can see it now. What the? Oh, sorry for the swearing. Get close to them. Maybe it will like make them realize that they are like way too close. I can't believe this. I mean, they're too far to hear me, but what are they doing? This is just, I mean, this is Darwin's law right there, actually. Like, I mean, they don't know what's gonna happen. Like, are they insane? Like they are standing on a brand new lava close to a small cone. This is just absolutely, I think this might be one of the stupidest things, or it is the stupidest thing that I have seen in all my time at the volcano. Yeah, I don't know about this, guys. This is not a good idea. I can't shout at them. Like, I'm just gonna go close and like wiggle them away. Like, this is absolutely stupid. I mean, there is like a rescue team there. You can see them here in the car observing the area, but I don't know if they can see them. Generally, I don't fly close to people, but I just want them to realize that, okay, this might be super stupid, and that's why this strong guy is watching us. So how do you tell them to go away? Wiggle to the right and left. Like, do they want to be the first people to die at the volcano? It seems like it. This is absolutely insanity. Get off the lava, guys. I will just drive behind them and make them go like sheeps. Yeah, I'm really sorry if I'm offending someone by flying so close to people, but those people really shouldn't be out on this lava. They're like risking their lives, and they could potentially be risking like other people's life because our rescue teams are very good, and they would actually try to save them and risk their own lives trying to save these idiots. Oh my god.